I will let you in on the secret on how I use AI tools to create content, and you can totally steal my methods. Overall, you could use image, video, voice generators, and avatars to create content for your social media. And I like to do all of that in one tool for the generation part, which is Artlist, simply because it's all there. And for the preparation, my AI buddy Claude is always assisting me. I create a lot of content for LinkedIn. Infographics like this are super popular these days on LinkedIn. Don't think everyone is using some design software to put this by hand together. The professionals just do it with an image generator. For this video, we'll turn my lead magnet 20 free AI tools list into an infographic for a LinkedIn post. And here's my workflow. First, I input the list itself to Claude and ask what it would change for an infographic or which copy to add. I ask Claude to formulate a prompt for Artlist. And then on Artlist, I add all of that plus some reference images. My favorite model is still Nano Banana Pro, but I usually prompt various ones to see which I like the most. Okay, I really like this one. And it took me literally a few minutes max. So I hope you're really not fumbling around and putting graphics together yourself.